Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, November 18th, 2009. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 20 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right at 11:07:75. We did have a news play that was available at the 8:30 news announcement, but we're not going to talk about that as far as any profitability in this video. But after the open, made a slight push up, quickly closed a very small gap, pulled to the downside. We actually got a signal to get short. That did produce targets 1, but we did not get any follow through to the downside, so ended up losing 2 ticks on that initial trade. Found support at the pivot, actually traded back above our moving average up through the previous day's high, pulled back down towards the moving average, and actually right there at the previous day's 4 p.m. close, we got a signal to get long. And depending on your entry, you might have got that to reduce risk trade, but we're going to say that you got filled. You didn't get filled here because you would have had to hit it to the tick. So we're going to count this as a full stop out trade, T0 minus 14. So we're not going to assume that you got that first contract off. We're going to assume that that was a full stop out for a 14 tick loss as we traded back down to the Globex low. Actually traded through the Globex low and actually got a signal to get short. That short signal on an extension basis did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 13 ticks. So that helped reduce the loss that we had on that full stop out trade. But as we traded back down towards our previous day's low, we got some support, started trading back up over the moving average, found resistance at the Globex low. On the pullback, we got a signal to get long, and at 10:30 we got that signal, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 10 ticks as we went all the way back up to our opening price. Found some resistance at the open, traded back down through our moving average, gave us a signal to get short just underneath the pivot, and that did produce a target 1, but as you can see in the lunchtime dead zone, it actually came up and stopped us out of that position for a 2 tick loss in that trade. So a fairly active morning. On our chart here between 11:30 and 1:15, this red zone here, we do not take any trades. We call that our lunchtime dead zone. Volume lightens up and volatility tends to increase, and you can see the market did sell off during the lunchtime there, but coming out of lunch we did find support, came back up to our pivot and had a pretty good swing, pulled back down to our moving average, actually got a signal right around 250 to get long, and that signal did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 15 ticks as the market again traded back up to that previous day's close. So there was a lot of sideways price action, a lot of up and down movement, created a lot of trades for us. We ended up with 6 trades today for 20 ES ticks, and that's after taking a full stop out. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room, our video newsletter, please visit us at eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.